Imagine a weight loss secret so powerful, so precisely engineered by ancient physician scholars over 5,000 years ago, that modern science is only now beginning to comprehend its potency. No artificial fat-burning pills, no crash diets that leave your body drained and depleted. Just one forgotten herb, prepared in a very specific, traditional way that works in harmony with your metabolism, to melt away deep, stubborn body fat. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are unlocking a hidden chapter from classic Ayurvedic medicine, a dedicated herbal formula that specifically targets fat tissue, known in traditional texts as metas. For centuries, ancient texts recorded remedies designed to restore the body's balance. Among these formulas lies a remarkable botanical known as Duralava, scientifically recognized in modern botanical studies as Fagonia cretica. When prepared as a medicinal decoction, or quatha, this humble plant becomes a concentrated catalyst for metabolic renewal. So, how does this ancient remedy actually work, and how can you prepare it correctly at home? Let us walk through the exact traditional process, step by step. The key to unlocking the power of Duralava lies entirely in its preparation. You cannot simply brew it like regular tea. The active botanical compounds require slow extraction through water and controlled heat. If you are using fresh Duralava plant material, start with 25 grams and gently crush or bruise the herb to break open its cellular walls. If you are using dried Duralava powder or cut herb, which is often easier to source, you will need exactly 10 grams. Place the herb into 2 cups of clean, room-temperature water. Allow it to steep quietly for 3 full hours. This crucial soaking period softens the plant fibers and begins drawing out its valuable, water-soluble nutrients. After 3 hours, add 3 additional cups of water to the vessel, bringing the total liquid content to 5 cups. Place the pot over a low, steady flame. Patience is essential here. Bring the liquid to a slow, gentle simmer. As the steam rises, watch the liquid gradually reduce. You want to simmer the mixture until the total volume reduces by half. This gentle, slow reduction concentrates the natural bioactive compounds without burning or degrading the delicate herbal properties. Once reduced to half, remove the pot from the heat and pass the liquid through a fine strainer, separating the clear herbal extract from the spent plant material. Now, the timing of consumption is just as important as the preparation itself. In traditional Ayurvedic practice, the clock dictates how your body processes nutrients. To get the maximum fat metabolizing benefits from this decoction, drink it every morning between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. This window aligns with your body's natural metabolic rhythms as daily digestive energy begins to peak. There is one critical rule to remember. Maintain a strict 1-hour window before and after drinking this preparation. Do not eat or drink anything else, including coffee, breakfast, or snacks, for 60 minutes before consuming the liquid and for 60 minutes afterward. This allows your digestive system to absorb the herbal properties fully without interference from food. When taken consistently, this herbal decoction works gently from within, helping your body metabolize excess stored fat and flush out accumulated metabolic waste. Within just 30 days of daily use, many notice visible changes in lightness, energy levels, and body composition. Depending on your personal wellness goals, you can safely continue this regimen for a second month to consolidate your results. Nature has already provided the tools we need for lasting health and vitality. By honoring these ancient, time-tested preparation techniques, you tap into a tradition of wellness that has stood the test of time. If you found this guide valuable, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a deep dive into natural health and holistic living. Drop a comment below if you have ever tried Ayurvedic remedies, and let us know what ancient health topic you want us to explore next. Thank you for watching, and take care of your body.